The journey of English language starts from the alphabet. Many times in my actual training sessions, I have asked students as well as teachers how many alphabets are there in English. And I have asked this question deliberately, and they raise their hands with pride and say there are 26 alphabets. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, there is just one alphabet in English language and there are 26 letters. And these 26 letters are further divided into vowels and consonants. And we all know as the fact there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U, and rest 21 are consonants. And based on these letters in English language, we would study about our next topic in English grammar, that is articles. Hello everyone, this is Yogita and you're watching English Finishing School. So in today's video, we are going to learn about articles, the rules of articles in English grammar. So we know articles as a, and, the, and at some places we use zero article, that means nothing comes. And we all know articles as the modifiers of nouns. Articles basically denote whether a noun used in a sentence is specific or non-specific, whether we are talking about a particular person or a not particular person. When we are talking about a non-particular person, we denote a singular person like a or an, or else definite. When we are talking about a definite person, place or a thing in a sentence, that makes it a definite article. So there are indefinite articles, that is a and an, and that is definite article, that is the. And no article means there is zero article which doesn't come in a sentence. So let's talk about the rules of using a in a sentence. I've already discussed about the alphabet. 21 consonants are there and 5 vowels are there. When we talk about 21 consonants, and we all know the sounds of consonants are definitely variable and different from the vowel sounds. When we say A, E, I, O, U, now the vowel U again, the sound U is considered, not U. U is a sound basically made by a consonant letter, that is Y. So let's understand the techniques of using a, because we use a with consonant sounds in English alphabet. For example, a toy, the sound is of T. A doll, the sound is of D, which is a consonant. A pen, the sound is P, which is again a consonant. A chair, the sound is ch, which is again a consonant. A university, now look at this particular, you will see the letter U and you will see it is a vowel and you will place an, no, wrong. It has to carry a, why? Because the sound produced by this word is a consonant sound. A university, your sound is a Y, which is a consonant. A unicorn, again, this particular word here carries a consonant sound here. A European, again, look at this letter E is a vowel. We can't place an looking at the letter E. We have to look at the sound, that is here. So we'll place a only. A unicellular organism like amoeba, euglena. A year, again, the sound produced by this word is year. A year. A U is a female sheep basically. So U, the sound. The letter though is E, but the sound produced by this letter is U. So we'll use a with it. Next we come up with the rules of an. Again, just to put this more stressful and impactful, we need to understand that an is used with the words where the vowel sound comes in the beginning. Now vowel sound, an egg, an apple, a, an orange, o, an R. So H is a consonant, but the sound produced by H here is O. So an R. An MLA. So here look at this word M, N, F, H, L, and there are many more in the whole alphabet like I, S, R. All these words are having the beginning sounds. All these letters are having the beginning sound is of a vowel sound, but that will only be produced when we are using these letters as abbreviated, as an acronym. Like when we say MLA, so this is an acronym and this letter produces a sound of a vowel, that is A. But once we expand it, Once we expand this abbreviation, we say member of Legislative Assembly, that will immediately become a, because member, the sound is ma, which is produced by. Then NCC, again, when I say NCC, he is an NCC, so a sound is of a vowel, so we'll use N. The moment I expand and this acronym, so he is a National Cadet Corps. So here again we'll use a article. Then NFIR, so here sound is a, FIR. So again I'll use an, but once I expand it, it would be I lost a first investigation report. So it will carry a when the sound will be of a consonant. The same rule goes with for an HOD, an LLB, an honorable person. Again look at this letter H, honorable, the sound produced by H is O. So here it becomes the use of an article an. So this is all we need to remember as one thumb rule, that the sound produced will be the one single and sole factor to determine whether to use article a or an. If we are here getting a sound of a consonant, we have to use article a, and if we are getting the sound of a vowel, we have to use article an. Next we will discuss about the usage of article the. Now the article is, again we need to understand, is a definite article. It just is used in a sentence to denote a specific person. I met a girl in the park. Now here it talks about an indefinite person, but the moment I give the reference of that girl in the second line, I'll say the girl was sitting on a bench, because in the next line the girl becomes specific. So it happens, I visited a city, the city was beautiful. So the next time when the same noun is referred, where in the first line it may be indefinite, but the moment it goes to second line it becomes specific and takes an article the. Now we'll talk about article usage the in various contexts. The first is before names of rivers like the Ganga, the Nile, the Yamuna, mountains, the Himalayas, the Nilgiris, the Andes, mountain ranges, oceans, the Pacific, the Atlantic, and seas, the Indian Sea, the Arabian Sea, famous books and scriptures, the Bible, the Quran, the Gita, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, historical monuments, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, the Eiffel Tower. So all these historical monuments will carry the. And newspapers and journals, we say the Times of India, the Tribune, the Deccan Chronicle, political parties, the Indian National Congress, the Bharatiya Janata Party. So all these will carry the. Superlative degrees, this we discussed when we discussed about adjectives. The superlative degree of comparison always carries the. She is the best student of a class. Mohan is the most handsome boy of his class. So when we have superlative degrees in place, we use article the. And with the names of certain countries where the abbreviations of countries are used, like the US, the United Kingdom, the UK, the Czech Republic. Now look at this word Czech. When I am pronouncing Czech, don't confused with this word will have a sound of z, so it will start with j or z. No, it will start from C. C, Z, E, C, H. This is the spelling of Czech Republic. So Czech Republic or the Republic of China. The Czech Republic is Czechoslovakia, is a abbreviated form of Czechoslovakia, and these are the names of countries. We always carry the. And at times we have no article in place, wherein there is no need of putting an article, and we at times put there also. So let's understand what are the words where we don't need to place any article. All abstract nouns talk about happiness, life, heat. Say happiness is the key to success, hard work is the key to success. Say life is too hectic. So we won't place any article before any abstract noun. Time, specifically we are talking about nighttime phrases. We talk about at night, at midnight, at bedtime. So whenever we make a reference of a time related to night, we always use no article. But when we have like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, we use the. So these time phrases will use the, and with this night time phrases we will not use any article. And then meals of the day. There are generally 3 meals, but in other conventional Western cultures, there are 4 meals of the day, like breakfast, lunch, supper and dinner. So we won't use any article with these main 4 meals of the day. I had sandwich in breakfast, I'll have rice in lunch, I'll have simple food in dinner. So we will not place any article with any meals of the day. Then again, days of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we won't use any article. Proper pronouns of persons and places and cities specifically won't have any article. You are a name, you have a name, I have a name. We won't use any article. With the name of your city, you won't use any article. So make sure. Again, uncountable nouns like the liquids, the sauces, the jams, we won't use any article like cheese, bread, like milk, water. No article would come. And the languages, we won't use any article, English, French, Sanskrit, Hindi. So no article would be there in place. Then subjects, we study subjects like we study English, science, mathematics. So we won't place any article before that also. So these are the general rules. We have discussed about articles, and there are many more things going to open about articles in the next videos. So just have patience. There are many more complexities of grammar which we are going to discuss in our upcoming videos. There are many more vocabulary exercises and vocabulary mixtures which we are going to discuss. So till then, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the like button and click on the bell icon next to it so that you can get all notifications about our future videos. Thank you very much for watching.